This week there are two exercises where you can gain some more practical skills in GIS using ArcGIS Online. In the first lecture this week, we examined a number of topics that included summarizing your data to areas and vector overlay. For the exercise this week, you'll be taking the role of a state biologist who's been tasked with doing some spatial analysis to monitor the impact of livestock grazing on the state's water quality. This requires finding which basins and streams should be monitored. In this exercise, you'll be working with area or polygon data. In the same way as we saw last week, spatial data is automatically displayed in the map. Working with your data in ArcGIS Online, you can turn layers on, making them visible, or off so that they're no longer visible in the map. In this exercise, you'll also start to look at the associated attribute data by location. You can explore the data spatially to learn what information is known at each location. By combining data, you can create new spatial data. In ArcGIS Online, this can be done using the Overlay Layers tool, which is part of the Manage Data toolset. In this tool, you'll find three different overlay methods, namely intersect, union, and erase. Remember how these are analogous to the Boolean logical operators AND, or not? Last week, we discussed filtering data using the values or attributes. Indeed, you used those techniques in the exercise last week. Each week, we'll build on your skills and learn how to use the different tools to analyze your data in ArcGIS Online. Overlay methods can be used to identify the features that are found within the areas, such as finding the features that overlap spatially. The information that describes what's known at any location is in the attribute table. You can view this table and work with this information as part of your analysis. Remember, working visually in a GIS, you can always change the symbology to suit your data and the analysis. Working spatially, you can easily explore relationships between features within layers and even between different layers. Using ArcGIS, spatial data of the same or of different types can easily be combined using the attribute information, and more uniquely to GIS, you can combine data using location itself. This exercise gives you the opportunity to start to explore these topics.